Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to work around a problem with adjustment clips from old projects before Resolve 18 and show you how to get around the problem. Now, prior to version 18 of Resolve, there was an issue with adjustment clips that if you added one to the timeline, which I'll demonstrate here, this is a project I have open that was created in Resolve 17, and that's where the issue still exists. If you open up older projects from pre-18, you'll see this issue. So if I take adjustment clip, drag it to the timeline, and then if I switch to the Fusion page, you'll see that the frames listed are incorrect. It should be 0 to like 179, and it's at 108,000. So that was an issue with, again, pre-Resolve 18. It was fixed in 18. And there is a workaround for the previous versions, but that won't work with old projects in the newer versions of Resolve. So that's why I'm making this video, to show you how to fix this issue. I'll also leave a link in the description to a previous video I did on how to fix it if you're still using Resolve 17. But I'll start off here by adding the adjustment clip that you want to fix. Now this could be a new one, or if you have an existing one that you've added animations to or done anything to, this will also help fix that. So you want to put it on your blank timeline. It's probably the easiest way to do this. Then you basically cut it by hitting Control X. And then you're going to come up to the time code indicator here. You're going to right click on it and make sure it says it's set to record frame. So you see the frames. You're then going to select it and you're going to type in the first frame of the incorrect adjustment clip, which was 108,000 in my example. So I'm going to type in 108,000. Hit enter. Now that takes the playhead to 108,000. Now you're not going to see it initially, so you're going to have to back out here a little bit. All right, so now it's centered on there. So now what you want to do is you want to now paste that clip. So by Control V, paste the clip. Okay, there was pasted. Now I'm going to zoom in on it so I can see it. Okay, and then I can move the playhead to the beginning of it. And that's got to be at 108,000. So now that's actually, the clip is actually on the timeline with the correct frame. But now we want to change that. We want it to be the 0 to whatever, 179 or whatever you want it to be. So now you select the beginning of it, your clip, the adjustment clip. You come up and do kind of the same thing. But now instead of putting in 108,000, you're going to type in minus and then 108,000. And that will move the beginning of the clip to the beginning of the timeline. And then you just basically do the same thing with the end of the clip, because right now it's 108,000 frames long, and you don't want that. So you want to click on and select the end of the clip, come up here again, hit minus. Now you don't want to do a minus 108,000 because that would make it clip 0 frames long. So just subtract like 10 from that, or 100 from that. So instead of 108,000, we'll put 107,900. Hit enter. Now that took it back to there. So now you just hit home on your keyboard to get back to the beginning, and there's your adjustment clip. Now if you go to the Fusion tab and click on that Fusion page, you can see that now it's 0 to 279. And then now you can adjust it to whatever length you want. But that does both fix the incorrect frames and gets it set so that now you could use it. Now I can drag it over here and go back to Fusion, and it'll still be the 0 to 279. Now again, this isn't necessary if you have Resolve 18 or newer, but if you have Resolve 18 or newer but still are using old projects that you used in, say, Resolve 17, the issue will still persist, and you could use this workaround to get it to work. So hopefully you found this video useful, and I thank you for watching.